WINSINN Dual Gear Extruder Ender 3v2 Upgrade Motor Shaft 20 mm. Purchase not only for 3D printers with motor shaft over 20 mm. Please measure the shaft length before placing order. Due to Creality batches, the original motor shaft of the Ender 3 series printer may not be perfectly fit for our dual gear. You can replace the full size of 42 mm high stepper motor if the original motor shaft is too short to install the gear. Creality Ender 3 Prof 2 3D Printer Assembled Extruder MK8 HotEnd Kit 24V with 0. PIS 100 Creality Original and Creality-Capricorn PTFE Tubing. Upgrade with low friction Creality-Capricorn Original Teflon Tube 40 cm. HotEnd replacement parts suitable for Ender 3, Ender 3X, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 V2 3D printer. 04 mm MK8 Ender 3 Nozzles 25 PCS 3D printer brass nozzles extruder for Makerbot Creality CR10 with 5 needles in metal storage box 04 mm. Parameter and specifications: input diameter 200 mm, output diameter 04 mm, out thread M6, thread length 4 mm, a set of 25 PCS printer nozzles and 5 PCS stainless steel needles. And the outer surface is marked with a size, so you can easily identify the specifications of the nozzle. Micro Swiss Direct Drive Extruder for Creality CR10 Ender 3 printers. FIS CR10/CR10, S5/CR10, S4/CR10/CR10, Mini/CR20/CR20, Pro/Ender 2/Ender 3/Ender 3 Pro. Nozzle size 4 mm. Filament size 175 mm. Made in USA by Micro Swiss. Bigtreetech 3D Printer Upgrade Dual Gear Extruder MK8 Extruder Dual Driver Feed Metal Feeder Extruder Kit CR10's Procker 10. Ender 3 V2 Ender 3 Pro 175 mm Filament. Upgrade Dual Gear Stable Gear and Double Pneumatic Joint Extrusion Structure Direct Drive Extruder High Extrusion Force, enhancing the feed strength, ensuring smooth feeding. Air pressure pushes the filament into the printer, not easy to lose steps. 5-packs Creality 3D Hardened Steel MK8 Nozzle with high temperature resistance upgraded Tungsten all metal nozzle ends from Makerbot Ender 3 S1 Pro CR10 Series 0 20 30 40 50 6 mm. Super durable tungsten material MK8 extruder nozzles are made by Paramount hardened tungsten steel with long life use time than the normal brass nozzle. The hardness is over HRC60 can reduce the abrasion to the inner and outer of the nozzle during long time printing, more heat resistant than ordinary brass nozzle. Nozzles is harder than brass nozzles, which makes it durable, accurate, and compatible with more filaments. Creality Official Upgrade Extruder MK8 Extruder Alloy Block Bowden Extruder 1. Compatibility: all metal MK8 extruder feeder drive 175 mm filament. It makes loading the filament easier and smoother with no worries about filament scraping or breaking. This extruder feeder drive is compatible with nearly all models of 3D printers. No need to change stepper motors or other mounting hardware. XIFOWE MK8 Nozzles 25 PCS 04 mm 3D printer brass nozzles CR10. Nozzle with DIY tools and a 10. Grid parts box for CR8, CR10, Ender 3, Ender 3's 56, and so on. Materials: high quality brass. Dimensions: input diameter 200 mm, output diameter 04 mm, out thread M6, thread length 5 mm. The outer surface is marked with a size. You can easily identify the specifications of the nozzle. 25 PCS 3D printer extruder nozzles hardened steel, stainless steel, brass high temperature pointed wear resistant nozzle 0. Premium quality MK8 nozzles are made of high quality hardened steel, stainless steel, and brass. Heavy duty and provide a long service life. Easy to install and change. Redirects Dual Gear Ender 3 Extruder with NEMA 17 stepper motor compatible with Creality Ender 3 V2. Double gear extrusion mechanism filament is gripped by the dual drive much more firmly with less deformation, so it doesn't jam as much in the tube, nozzle, or HotEnd.